my name is Nigel, I'm a CAD engineer at PCB Circuits, and this is a brief video on the different types of surface finish we offer and is available. Hot air solder level, or HASL, is the most common and inexpensive type of surface finish. The process of HASL is quite simple. The bare PCB board is dipped into the molten solder. The solder covers the exposed copper, then as it is taken out, the surface of the PCB is levelled using hot air knives. It offers an excellent surface for soldering. HASL is excellent for large components and surface mount technologies, but if the SMT is smaller, then it may not work as desired. It is not ideal for fine pitch technology FTP. Furthermore, the processing temperature can cause thermal stress to the PCB. Keep in mind that it contains lead. It's dipped in a tin lead alloy, so it's not ROS compliant. Lead-free HASL is similar to HASL, but it does not contain the lead. Then it is, of course, ROS compliant. As far as the functions, pros and cons are concerned, they are similar to HASL. The HASL finish is very shiny and often confused with the silver finish, which has a far more matte consistency. Immersion Silver is a flat surface finish that has reasonable cost. The silver plating is done over the copper surface to protect it from oxidization. The layer of silver is quite thin, but it offers excellent conductivity. It's good for fine pitch technology and it shouldn't affect the size of the holes. An issue with this type of surface finish is tarnishing when exposed to air. Therefore, it's packed as soon as possible. Due to this, it is recommended that you solder the board soon after taking it out of the packaging. The life of Immersion Silver is moderate. It has a low cost and it's according to ROS standards. Electroless Nickel Immersion Gold, or ENIG, is the most used type of surface finish because of its features and ROS compliance. There is a thick layer of nickel over the copper and a thin layer of gold over that nickel. ENIG has a long shelf life. It is durable enough, but it's more expensive due to the two layers, especially the gold. It has a flat surface and a thin finish to work with smaller components. Electrolytic nickel, electrolytic soft gold, more commonly known as pure soft gold, is a ROS compliant finish. Unlike electroless finishes, being an electrical process, an electrical current is required to plate the gold onto the board. This is 99.99% pure gold. Due to its very high cost, it is typically used only for wire bonding applications. It is highly suggested that all areas that need to have this finish be tracked out to the board edge so an electrical current can be applied. This is also true for a hard gold finish. Electrolytic hard gold is an expensive surface finish that uses a layer of gold on the PCB. It's done through electroplating, and a hard layer of gold is attached to the surface of the copper. The adhesion between the PCB and the layer is firm, which increases the durability of the board. Since gold is an excellent conductor, it's excellent for electrical performance. Moreover, its oxidization resistance is high. The surface finish is excellent for the PCB area where high wear and tear is expected. It can last for a long time. The problems associated with this type of surface finish are price and the extra processing. Moreover, the solderability of hard gold is poor. Electroless nickel, electroless palladium, immersion gold, or ENEPIG, is the best surface finish that resists corrosion and reaction with air. It has a longer shelf life, the best of all the finishes. It is a 3-layer surface finish that contains nickel, palladium and gold. All these materials perform together to offer the long life. Unlike ENIG, there is no risk of black pad syndrome. It's ROS compliant as there is no lead in it. The problem with ENEPIG are high costs and complex processing. It is possible to have a mixed surface finish where there is more than 2 finishes on one PCB to get the optimum performance. Please contact us for more details and possible options of what is available. It's important to pick the right PCB plating for your product. While there are a lot of available options, you want to consider the size and scope of your project and budget. For a solid overall option, ENIG offers a high quality finish and low cost option with good solderability. You may, however, have to choose a finish based on a particular technology or requirement, such as HASL, which is military, aerospace and space approved. Selecting the right PCB surface finish can be a challenge, but we are here to help. PCB Circuits is your best in-class solution for PCB layout, fabrication and assembly. With more than 5 decades of experience, contact us today to learn more about what PCB surface finish you should choose for your next project or to connect with our experienced team.